on the Trump Tower. Thank you, President Trump, for your leadership. Thank you for doing what you can to protect us from all the illegal aliens invading our borders. President Trump, probably not watching this, but the off chance somebody ever shoots you my direction, yes, I support you. I think you're groovy. My channel supports you. And anybody that goes to New York, you love Trump, you really want to make a pilgrimage to Trump Towers, corner 57 and 5th Avenue. And as you can see, it's probably one of the safer places to be in New York because you got the New York Police Department, and you know, they're not messing around. So yeah, welcome to New York. Right. Oh man. No. No Democrats. No Democrats. Hey, is it just me or does that cleaner look a little bit like George W. Bush? Oh man. You know I'm not been smoking anything. Even though it is legal here, by the way. Oh man. Trump Tower. Whoa. I don't know how close I can get. I don't know if they would let me bring... Well, if I'm not allowed to, I'll just get yelled at. Oh, okay. All right. Wow, I got into Trump Tower. Okay, let's see. There's always a list of things you can't do. So you can't panhandle in Trump Tower. Let you guys know that. I can't imagine anybody would try. You can't sleep in here. You can't panhandle. Not allowed to ride a bicycle or a scooter. Oh, no loud or boisterous behavior? Whoa. Failure to comply with these rules may subject you to removal from the premises. Oh, man. Oh, and look, a nice big American flag. Yes, this is Trump Tower. If you want your Gucci, you can get your Gucci. Let's see, Trump Cafe. Oh, let's see how big that flag is.